May 8, 2023, Leland Hardy bringing to you live. One love. Here working on the M113 engine, which is a 2006 Mercedes CLS 550. Just took the valve covers off. Got them soaking right now in purple powder. They put Dawn dishwashing liquid on them and scrub them, put them back on. But you see how clean this joint is. This joint is basically in as new condition. They changed the oil, changed the hoses and so on, just cleaned up all of the coils. Here they are here. They were absolutely filthy dirty. Thoroughly scrubbed those with purple powder. Leland Hardy bringing to you live, getting the 2006 Mercedes CLS 500 ready to roll. It should be in as new condition, ready to drive to California, anywhere else in the country at will, once this job is completed, which will be in about an hour and a half or so at most. Leland Hardy bringing to you live. One love.